I'm sorry. I should have told you I was coming. I guess I didn't want you to talk me out of it or get mad at Dad. I just want to talk to you, that's all. I'm starting middle school this year. I'm mostly getting A's and B's in my classes. I'm taking singing lessons and learning how to play the guitar too. Dad says I got my musical talent from you. He said you had a really great voice. I'd love to hear you sing sometime. I don't know why I came. I guess I had a lot of questions that Dad couldn't tell me, or he didn't know how to tell me. I just wanted to know why. Dad said you had too many problems and thought it would be better if you weren't around. But I'm 11 now, and I figured maybe you've changed your mind, or you don't have those problems anymore. I wish you'd say something.
Is your dad here yet?
He's not here yet. Any minute now.